Brian gets freaked out by this bitch, and we have no idea why. No explanation. It's not. He doesn't know her. Brian's making a face like his wife just caught him at the club or something. Oh no, she's here. She's in the crowd. What do I do? Like his face goes from I'm confident, cool, calm, and collected to oh shit, I'm f***ed. And he doesn't even know her yet. I don't know.
Brian O'Connor, Roman Pierce, need Monica Fuentes.
Did Brian suddenly forget how to act around women? Like, why does he always look frightened around this bitch? He looked frightened before when he didn't know she was a cop, and now he's like, oh shit, my wife found me.
I'll ride with you, cowboy.
Why she gotta ride with you?
You get the convertible. Let's go.
Why are you riding with him at all? Isn't that kind of suspicious? 'Cause later on in the movie, he's like, you touch another man, I'll kill you. Why is it that she's risking all that? She's undercover for like 11 months or something by riding along one of the dudes that she's supposedly hiring to help him with something. And she does it in like plain view in front of all the other potential henchmen.
He did the stare and drive on you, didn't he? He got that from me.
So why are you taking responsibility for that, man? That trick would freak the f out of most people. Again, don't go for crazy. Seriously. I like how none of these guys are like, did our new boss's bitch just hop out of the surfer dude's car?
Hey, where'd you get them cars at bottom of a cereal box?
Man, I wish. The rest of us have to pay for them.
Hey, real funny, Fonzie.
What you checking her out for?
I'm not checking her out.
Look at the angle of his head. Look at where he's looking. It's just so obvious. Like, he's not subtle about it.
I seen you checking her out, man.
Okay, I was. Now shut up.
Alright, I forgot he copped to it, actually, to be honest.
You shut up. Tell me to shut up.
Both you girlies shut up. Unbelievable.
If you want to talk about girly, let's talk about this weird China we got going here.
From here on out, I do the talking.
Like to me, you want to do a little more than that.
Oh, what's that supposed to mean?
It means you're always getting in trouble over a female, Brian.
I mean, Brian can't argue with that. He really can't. Anyone remember Mia? His Mark's sister that he was supposed to be investigating? He was thorough with his investigation.
You have a load. Is there anything I can get for you, Mr. Burrell?
Just tell him to come join me.
So he's been there the whole time? So Roma's like, you about to be caught by her man that's not her man but thinks he's her man. Fool.
He's over there, don't look.
They all looked.
She's beautiful, isn't she?
Yeah. She's gorgeous.
Is this supposed to be a Chad move? Is this the right response? I feel like this whole thing is just f***ing stupid.
You ever touch another man again, and I'll kill you.
Why are Brian and Fuentes even risking that shit, man? Like, it's putting everything on the line. Like, it causes a whole lot of stuff to go wrong in the final job. If he didn't suspect that something was about to go wrong, he probably would have been upfront with everybody. He might have still planned on killing Brian and Rome, but at least he wouldn't have lied about where they were going. Right?
What are you doing here?
This dumb bitch, she'd be better off talking to a cop in public than literally sneaking into Brian's bedroom.
Baron's boys is us. Oh, I see what they're looking for. Your little girlfriend here.
I gotta side with Rome here.
Brian, this isn't about being a good cop anymore or doing your job. I mean, they're gonna kill you. You guys gotta pull out.
Brian isn't a cop. He's literally just doing this to clear his record.
Brian, don't make that wrong.
Be careful.
What the f***? Why are they kissing? Are they dating? When did this happen?
The funny thing is, I only told one person about the airstrip.
Well, that's a lie. Your bald henchman knew at the very least not to go to an airstrip. And that Brian saying something about an airstrip was somehow significant. He was in on something. Maybe Monica told him too. Maybe he's banging your henchman.
Nice working with you, O'Connor.
You call that work? That kind of work is only legal in Nevada, girl. We saw you making out with Brian.